This is a second video for section 3.6 on congruent angles. Last video, we learned what vertical angles were, and we also learned that all vertical angles are congruent. So if you have a pair of vertical angles, their measures are the same. We're going to use that to help us find the value of x in these figures. Here's two lines across. Here's two angles that are non-adjacent. That means they're vertical angles. So if this bottom angle is 130, this angle right here is 130. And that's the value of x. Now, they didn't ask you to find the other angle measures, but what would these angles be? They're going to be the same as each other, but they can't be 130. They're going to be 50. Remember, these are a linear pair. Same thing with these, they add up to 180. Number two, same idea. You have two lines that cross. These angles are vertical because they're non-adjacent. So if this angle is 40, its vertical angle is 40. They didn't ask you to, but what would these obtuse angles be? They'd be 140. 180 minus 40 gives you 140. These are supplementary. These first two are really easy. These next ones are a little bit tougher. Notice how x is not itself this time. Now we have a coefficient other than 1. 5x is what this angle is. And we know this one's 25 degrees. So that one must match it. If that's 25, this one's 25. So what times 5 gives you 25? Let's divide both sides by 5. X is 5. That doesn't mean the angles are 5 degrees. These angles are 25 degrees. What about these obtuse ones? They're going to be 155 degrees. Last one. These are vertical angles. They have the same measure. They're across from each other, made with two lines. If this angle is 125, so is this angle. So the angle is 125, but what's the value of x? Some number minus 10 gives you 125. If you add 10 to both sides, x is going to give you 135. That's the value of x, not the measures of the angles. These ones are 125. What about these ones? Got to add up to 180.